Container Pacific, when we had the COVID, one client had trades to Fiji and required us to have a strategic agreement with the Fiji maritime education system in school. And we did have a really huge success within this opportunity, as we say, because before it was COVID, now it is the war, it's also the prices of petrol. Candina is an AI company and database company, and we have 126 years really fighting and sweating to work 24/7 here, available to have meeting teams to discuss and negotiate and improve the terms conditions of your HR talent retention tricks, because that's what really we're missing. Everybody's like running around how to retain these officers and ratings, and this Container Pacific is a great opportunity because we did the Fiji thing, but really we did prove that if we do have a huge pyramid in Manila or a huge pyramid in India or in any other country, that we really want to keep feeding the pyramids. But if the market moves from this area to that area because this disruption, whether it is COVID or the petrol prices or war, whatever new disruptions, can we adapt to this within the Container Pacific trades? Of course we have been able to do so because we look after the interest of the ship owners. Some managers look second to the interest, the goodwill, the intrinsic value, the ESG, corporate responsibility, the really investment, the long-term intrinsic value of the ship owners, and they put theirs first, which is not proper, because if you really invest in having local Pacific crew long-term like we did in Fiji, and we want to continue, whatever the area of trade of your Pacific fleet is, we can do and divide these 100 ships with this and that area, but most competitors will put just this strategic is my pyramid, not the ship owners. So by doing that, not only you have a huge cost reductions, but also you have a long-term talent retention, and then strengthen the future brains in your company, because you will need managers, managing directors, superintendents, and so on within the company that you can get from the local pool. And that's why it's so interesting always to have Candina as a strategic partner, because we are a private company, so we have no public interests, and therefore our only private interest is you, dear ship owner. Thank you. Bye.